Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you my amplifier, my Quad 405. As you see, I use a Sony amplifier enclosure. I didn't have any other and this was faulty, so it was obvious for me to get rid of the internal stuffs and put my quad inside. Let's open it up. It's a bit dark in here. I'm gonna turn on my flashlight. It wasn't easy to squeeze everything inside to this enclosure. I tried to put a stereo Quad 405 and the power supply and some capacitors, fan, cooling fan, relays, voltage regulators, protections, equalizers, and unfortunately the wiring is, let's be honest, ugly. But this was finished about 20 years ago, 25 years ago. That time I was still teenager, much younger than now, so I just wanted to make it work. I didn't care much about the style. This attitude changed since that, so new projects I tried to make it look much better. Oh yes, that's my precious toroid transformer. This type of the transformer has the best efficiency ratio. Let's do the most important part and test it. I forgot to say it, but those speakers also built by me. Both of them has a 30 cm subwoofer and a piezo tweeter. They can handle around 150-200 watts. As you see, my amplifier is part of the old system, but it's loud as hell. A button for the cooling fan, which simply just turns it on and off. It has a volume level indicator also. That's all folks, I hope you liked it. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and see you next time.